आज यहाँ पे मंत्रालय में जो इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइज़ किया है दैट इज़ रिगार्डिंग द ग्लोबल वेलनेस डे सेलिब्रेशन। और उसी के साथ एक वेलनेस इंडस्ट्री में जो बच्चे फार्मर्स के जो बच्चे काम कर रहे हैं उनको स्पेशल टेक्निक देके हमने जो विशेष प्रोग्राम के लिए उनको रेडी किया है दैट इज़ कॉल्ड द वेलनेस एट वर्क प्लेस। सो ओवरऑल द इवेंट इज़ अबाउट the wellness and well-being lifestyle as well as the skilled manpower. Being as a global wellness ambassador, I feel that is everyone individual person has life to live healthy and better, and just creating the awareness through this platform, that is my intention. Each individual person should understand and give the value for their own life and respect their own life. That's it what I want. Through this wellness awareness, I know that is lot of job opportunity will be created for the village boys, and that's what I am willing to support and do work for that thing. This support from CM has been always appreciated because he has been always looking forward for my work, and he has seen personally the kind of work what I have been doing for the village women and as well women empowerment as well as for the youth empowerment. And that's the reason from the beginning, like from the last year when I started Global Wellness Day celebration in India. So he has been supporting me, and till this year he has given me special support. So it's honor for me. And of course, this celebrity, this all dignitary who is coming here and supporting me, they are just like well wisher to me. I would like every individual person in India, everyone should understand and respect their own life. They will respect their own life. They will just look towards to the wellness industry. Automatically, directly, indirectly, they are helping many of youth and many of girls who is working in this industry and giving the wellness solution to anyone, everyone. So please support this initiative, create awareness and respect yourself. I myself believe in the wellness lifestyle. And I said, if yourself is happy, individual person should be happy. So they keep others happy, and that's my secret. Just like I am very positive, and looking towards to positive life, and keeping always happy any circumstance. That's it.
टुडे इज़ वर्ल्ड वेलनेस डे, ग्लोबल वेलनेस डे। और अगर इस तरह के इनिशिएटिव्स है, अगर ज़्यादा हम लोग इस पर ध्यान देंगे तो हमारे लिए बेहतर है, क्योंकि मैं जानता हूँ कि सब काम पे इतने लगे हुए हैं, इतना फोकस करते हैं दैट दे फॉरगेट टू कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन द हेल्थ। और ये सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट है। हम सब कहते हैं कि हेल्थ इज़ वेल्थ, पर हम कहते रहते हैं, हम उसके बारे में उसके ऊपर कुछ करते नहीं, उस पर कोई ध्यान नहीं देते। तो आई थिंक इट्स इनिशिएटिव्स एंड प्लेटफॉर्म्स लाइक दिस दैट मेक अस फोकस ऑन वेलनेस, जो हमारे लिए बहुत बेहतरीन है। इतना यही कहना चाहता हूँ कि ये साल में एक बार हम लोग सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, मगर ये रोज़ प्रतिदिन आपको सेलिब्रेट करना चाहिए। प्रतिदिन आपको सुबह उठ के कम से कम एक या आधे घंटे आपको अपने आप के लिए देना चाहिए, और आप पे फोकस कर लीजिए। अगर वो करेंगे तो आपका सेहत बहुत सही होगा, एंड काम भी अच्छा होगा आपका। किसान भी बिल्कुल, जितने सारे हैं, क्योंकि सब जब काम करते हुए इतना स्ट्रेसेस है ज़िंदगी की, तो वो मिटाने के लिए हेल्थ पे अगर आप ध्यान दोगे वो सबसे बेस्ट है। हम ये बार बार दोहरा सकते हैं, मगर अगर आप खुद करेंगे और महसूस करेंगे तभी तो आपको लगेगा कि ये वाकई बहुत ही अच्छा है। बॉलीवुड, हमारी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री की ऑलरेडी अवेयरनेस है, हर चीज़ के ऊपर अवेयरनेस है। सारी जो न्यूज़ है हम देखते हैं, हम पढ़ते हैं, उस पर कभी कभार ध्यान भी देते हैं। तो वी आर ऑलरेडी अवेयर ऑफ व्हाट इज़ हैपनिंग। ऐसा ना हो कि हम सिर्फ काम पे लगे हुए और दुनिया में जो चल रही है वी डोंट नो अबाउट इट, वी नो एवरीथिंग दैट्स हैपनिंग, सो वी आर वेरी अवेयर। डीएम फिटनेस मेरा जो इनिशिएटिव है, अभी तो फ़िलहाल हमने शुरू किया है मुंबई में। जो फिटनेस स्टेशन हम पेवमेंट्स पे लगा रहे हैं फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट फॉर द पब्लिक, तो वो इनिशिएटिव बहुत अप्रिशिएट ऑलरेडी पब्लिक ने कर चुकी हैं। सो वी जस्ट ट्राइंग टू एक्सपेंड इट टू ऑल ओवर इंडिया। ऑलरेडी इंडियन नेवी ने हमसे कुछ फिटनेस स्टेशन ऑर्डर भी किए हैं, दे टेकन इट टू पोर्ट ब्लेयर, जमशेदपुर में हमने लगाए हैं, गुजरात में। सो वी वांट टू मेक द होल ऑफ इंडिया फिट, ये हमारी कोशिश है।
By seeing everybody's life and so many things which causes stress, of course natural calamities, pollutions, work-wise, we all require wellness, and I'm so happy that even India has been really very well versed with wellness now, thanks to our Prime Minister. because the way he's put up wellness in so much forefront, which was really required long back. But now I think everybody, even the people from villages, now you can see that today's agenda is to involve children from villages, and it's been so great step which has been taken by Rekha Chaudhary. And the great space, in fact, where we are among all the ministers, where so much of awareness is there, and we are doing a big shout for wellness. In fact, I've been following wellness for quite a long time. You must have seen my previous images. Of course, I was little plump, and I've been following all the diets and yoga, which is part of wellness. And I think everybody can follow small things and make a difference in their lives.
I think wellness is a state of body, mind and soul. And I think मुझे कहीं ना कहीं लगता है कि हमें ये बात समझना बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है कि हमारा शरीर एक मंदिर है और हमारा दिल एक भगवान है. अगर हम इन चीज़ों को इस दृष्टिकोण से देखें तो आई थिंक हर दिन हर लम्हा हम लोग अपनी ही प्रार्थना करेंगे. आई थिंक दैट एनर्जी देन reflects into the society, and I think wellness, the initiative that they have taken, I think is fantastic. And the fact that Bhabhi just said that, you know, she's involved the farmer community, and I think it's outstanding. And like Bhabhi said, that the Prime Minister is starting from cleanliness to wellness. I think the whole initiative is fantastic. We have the youngest population in the world now, and I think this approach is critical because लगता है कि सब एक दौड़ में दौड़ रहे हैं, लेकिन nobody realizes that the destination is the journey. To make the journey beautiful, and you can do that by looking after yourself, and no better person than she to tell you that.
मुझे जो वेलनेस इनिशिएटिव के लिए ये लोग जो सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, आई एम रियली थैंकफुल टू देम. एंड दिस इनिशिएटिव स्पेशली व्हाट आई एम ड्राइविंग फॉर द विलेज चिल्ड्रन, and this guys has been always supporting, especially Smita is always, like, you know, as a dear friend, she has been always supporting me for this initiative. And of course this proposal what I am putting front of the government for the giving the opportunity for this village children for the wellness at workplace for the government department, I hope today everything gets in the positive note. And on the Global Wellness Day celebration, especially I have organized this event at this place, and I'm seeing the positively everything is going.
You're already in the Mantralaya.
I have to say that Rekha is the only person who started. Of course, people were aware of wellness and Global Wellness Day and all. It was celebrated all over the world, but not in India. But I must give the credit to this lady that she has given so much importance and so much energy and involved so many people to create awareness for the wellness. So really credit goes to Rekha Chaudhary. Of course, involving people who are sitting on the chair is also very important task, and she has done that. So thank you so much.
No, individual has the rights to live healthy, and on the Global Wellness Day, I would like to request everyone to respect yourself.